Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to see the find the sum and differences that has 10th part and 100th part. Find the sum and differences that has 10th and 100th. Okay. So what is 10th? What is 10th? So suppose 33.5. Can we write this as 33 5 by 10, right? So this we can call it as 33 and 5 10 5 10 5 10. Suppose we have 33.05. How do we write it as 33 5 by 100? Because there is no 10th part. 10th is 0. So I made it as 100 part. So how do we write 33 and 500? How 100? Okay. So now let's go to the sum. So we are going to do addition and subtraction. So actually I'm going to cover addition and subtraction in single sums. Okay, now 9 and 9/10 and 800. Okay, plus 8 7/10 and 900 minus 8 6/10 900 plus 4 9/10 and 800. Okay, so we are going to see how to solve these sums. Okay, so please follow it carefully. So I told you how to write this equation. So we have a 10th part and 100th part and a real part, right? So how do we write 9 plus 9 by 10 plus 8 by 100? Okay, then what next? So plus 8 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100. What next? Minus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 9 by 100, right? Plus 4 plus 9 by 10 plus 8 by 100, right? Okay. So now, actually, if you see here, we need to group all the numbers. If you see here, this is full number, this is full number, and this is full number, this is full number. But this is 10th, this is 10th, this is 10th, and this is 10th. This is 100, this is 100, and this is 100. Can we group based on its value, right? Now I can group 9 plus 8 minus 8 plus 4. Okay, so I group full number. Then I need to put plus. Now I am going to group 9 10. Okay, 9 by 10, then plus 7 by 10 plus. You see here, this is minus, right? I made a mistake here. So how do we write? So it is a minus 8 6 by 10. So now minus 8 minus 6 by 10 and minus 9 by 10. Okay. So now 7 by 10 minus 6 by 10 plus 9 by 10. So we have written all the tens here. Now we have to write all the hundreds. Okay. So what are the hundreds? 8 by 10, 100, then plus 9 by 100, then what else? Minus 9 by 100, plus 8 by 100, right? Okay, so now can we write this 9 plus 8 minus 8 cancel, 9 plus 4, 13, plus what do we write? We can group all the 10. Okay, so divided by 10, 9 plus 7 minus 6 plus 9. Okay, then plus we can group divided by 100. How do we group? 8 plus 9 minus 9 plus 8. Okay, so can we do the next step? 13 plus 9 plus 7, 16, 16 minus 6, 10, 10 plus 9, right? 10 plus 9, which is 19 by 10. Now, if you see here, this 9 and this 9 cancel, 8 plus 8, 16 by 100. Okay. So, if you see here, 13 plus 19 by 10 plus 16 by 100. If this number, right, which is in top, right, this number is greater than, if it is greater than 10, 19 is greater than 10 and 16 also greater than 10, right? So if it is greater than 10, so we need to split this number. How do we split? 13 plus 10 by 10, okay, plus 9 by 10. So we need to see whatever this number here, it should not be greater than 10. Here it is 9, so I left it is. Suppose if we have this value is 29, then 10 plus then 10 by 10 plus 10 by 10 and then 9 by 10. Okay, so I splitted it as 9 by 10. Then 10 by 100 plus what? Plus 6 by 100, right? So can we do this? So now this 10 and 10 cancel, so we have 1 remaining. This 0 and this 0 cancel, right? So the next step is 13 plus 1, which is 14, right? 14 plus 9 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100, right? So how do we group this 14 plus? We can group the 10 again. 10. Okay, so what is the answer? 9 plus 1 plus 6 by 100, right? So 14 plus 10 by 10 plus 6 by 100, right? So this is also cancelled, so we will get 1, right? So 15 plus, so how do we write this? It's equal to 14 plus 1, which is 15, okay, plus 6 by 100. So we can call it as 15 and 6 by 100. Can we write like this? Or how do we write this? 1506 divided by 100. Or how do we write this? 15.06. In letter, we will write 15 and 600. Hope everyone understand this. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.